Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a starter pawl in your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the starter. Next, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug. Unthread the 5 screws securing the engine cover. Pry off the cover. This may require some effort. Use a 3/4 inch socket or a spark plug wrench to unthread the spark plug. Confirm that the engine piston is in the down position. Then insert a cord into the cylinder to prevent the piston from moving. Use a strap wrench to help unthread the starter pawl assembly. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the retaining clip to release the old starter pawl, if still intact. Install the new starter pawl by aligning the spring with the prongs facing up. Recoil the spring and insert the pawl into the housing. Slide the retaining clip on to secure. Thread the starter pawl assembly onto the motor shaft and use the strap wrench to tighten. Remove the cord from the cylinder and rethread the spark plug. Be careful not to damage the plug by over-tightening. Reposition the engine cover. Thread and tighten the screws. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug. Realign the starter, making sure the pulley engages with the starter pawls. Thread the screws to secure the assembly. Your leaf blower should now be ready for use.